it is unfair whether you are a young professional or whether you are a mid-career, late-stage professional to compare your chapter 5 of life with somebody else's chapter 10 of life. क्योंकि हम हर इंडिविजुअल का बैकग्राउंड, एजुकेशन, फैमिली बैकग्राउंड, फोकस, द एक्सपोजर in their friend and in their environment is very different. Envy is a big driver for people to get charged up, to become more ambitious and to keep at it that hey, I have someone to compare to. Imagine someone's life who feels that I am top of the pyramid, right? He does not have, staying at the top of the pyramid is higher because you don't have anything to look up to.
Right.
So if you are behind your peers जिनसे भी आप अपने आप को बेंचमार्क करते हैं, तो एटलीस्ट आपके पास एक रीज़न है कि मुझे ज़्यादा काम करना है, मुझे ज़्यादा समटाइम्स रिस्क लेने हैं, मुझे ज़्यादा एनर्जी स्पेंड करनी है अपने करियर में, सो दैट आई कैन रीच देयर.
Okay, hey guys, welcome to another episode of the Altuni Career Show. This is the one place where we demystify everything around careers for you. And it has always been my dream to ensure that Altuni is not just an alternative university, that provides you skills, but it helps you think about your career and your life as well. So today's episode is going to be a little more philosophical. The idea is to try and deep dive into the common anxieties and the kind of worries that people have in their mid-20s. And we have with us today Supreet Singh. He is the founding partner at Native. Native has worked with about 500 odd companies. They would have helped over 1,000 odd CXO level professionals in India, move companies. So I thought this was a perfect time to do an episode like this. We are in a season where a lot of people are losing jobs. A lot of people are very unclear about how careers are going to be post the entire COVID era. So thank you so much, Supreet, for doing this again with us. So let me just deep dive into this, right? We are at Inside IIM and at Altuni now. We have almost 3 million professionals who reach out to us every year. I'm talking about people typically between the ages of 22 and 35. A large percentage of them are obviously younger and lot of anxiety, amongst people who are in their mid-20s. So, अभी अगर मैं एक आज 25 साल का लड़का या लड़की हूँ who's in the middle of the best years, as they say, of one's career, but I'm stuck in a low-paying job, or actually in many cases I don't have a job at all, right? And I see my peers, who are moving really fast in life. There are people who are scaling various heights. लोग IIM जा रहे हैं, लोग कोई बहुत ही बड़ी यूनिकॉर्न स्टार्टअप में बहुत ही फास्ट ग्रो कर रहे हैं. A lot of young people are really demotivated as well at this point of time. So I am in a rut. How do I get out of this career rut that I am in? Either I am in a low paying job or I don't have a job at all. And I am already 25, 26. I have given multiple entrance exams. कहीं पे admission नहीं मिला है. या एडमिशन जहाँ पे मिल रहा था वहाँ मुझे नहीं जाना था. I mean, given that ये इतना important time है लाइफ का, अब क्या करना चाहिए? अब ये फीलिंग है, क्या करें?
एक चीज़ मैं जब भी यंग प्रोफेशनल्स या स्टूडेंट से मिलता हूँ, आई टेल देम योर करियर इज़ अ मैराथन एंड नॉट अ स्प्रिंट. उसके दो रीज़न है. पहला, जनरली अक्रॉस द वर्ल्ड, मोर सो इन इंडिया, average life expectancy is increasing. Our parents' generation, they retired at 60, 62. My belief is our generation will retire in their late 60s or 70s, right? So for a 20, 25-year-old individual, he has a 40 to 50 years career ahead of him, right? I know people talk about retirement, early retirement, but मुझे नहीं लगता जिस तरह की life हम लोग जीते हैं, the kind of stimulation that we are now used to, we as a generation are going to retire early. Right. We will remain productive. We will remain engaged with some kind of work in our later years of life, right? So it means that it's a marathon. It is not a sprint that every year, every 3 years, every 5 years, you will be able to run at that pace, right? दूसरा, it is unfair whether you are a young professional or whether you are a mid-career, late stage professional to compare your chapter 5 of life with somebody else's chapter 10 of life. क्योंकि हम हर इंडिविजुअल का बैकग्राउंड, एजुकेशन, फैमिली बैकग्राउंड, फोकस, द एक्सपोजर इन देयर फ्रेंड, इन देयर एनवायरनमेंट इज़ वेरी डिफरेंट. दूसरों से कंपेयर एक तो नहीं कीजिए. आपकी लाइफ का ये कौन सा चैप्टर है आपको भी नहीं पता, और किसी और के लाइफ के 10वें 11वें चैप्टर से अपने को कंपेयर करना is not right. One, you asked a question about people who are in a rut, people who are in a job that they are not happy, in a job which is not paying well. The reality is that if you are working, you are gaining certain experience, and if you are clear about what are the possible directions that you want to take, you can always navigate and build your career in that direction. It may take slightly longer, right? So A, have faith, A, believe, and very, very importantly, invest time, energy on figuring out what you really want to do, right? I interview a lot of early stage young professional students for my company, for my team. In those interviews, I do not find conviction. In those interviews, people say things which just sound nice, right? And to get that job, it is counterproductive. So be clearer about what kind of things you want to do.
But how do I do that? Because ये बोलना easy है कि conviction लाओ interview में.
Correct.
मुझे नहीं पता है यार 24 की उम्र पे कि मुझे क्या करना है, 25 की उम्र पे नहीं पता है कि, तो आप बोल रहे हो कि फिगर आउट, स्पेंड टाइम इन नोइंग. हाउ डू आई डू दैट?
सो 2-3 तरीके हैं. फर्स्ट, एलिमिनेशन, द जॉब्स दैट यू डू नॉट लाइक. बट आई थिंक द बिगर challenge is self-assessment, being able to know what you are good at, what you enjoy. There is a framework called Ikigai, now it is famous. To figure out what you are good at, what the world is willing to pay, what gives you joy. वो 2-3 तरीके से कोई भी इंसान डिस्कवर कर सकता है. A, of course, read books. There are hundreds and thousands of these self-help books.
और watch videos, I guess.
Watch videos. मैं खुद अब बुक कम पढ़ता हूँ और वीडियो ज़्यादा, ऑडियो बुक्स ज़्यादा सुनता हूँ. The second most important element which I see most people don't realize is investing and building mentors in your life. Right? It is not a matter of luck that you found a good mentor who was interested in your career, wanted to help you. It is also active seeking of mentorship and investing in that relationship over time. Mentors are relatively easy to find, and mentors invest in you because A, they like you and they have a soft corner for you, right? People who are in their mid 30s, 40s, most individuals have this genuine desire to be able to help others, right? So leverage on that, take benefit of that feeling in all mid and senior professionals. अगर आप किसी इंसान से मिलते हैं या you find him online on LinkedIn or any other platform, if he is from your hometown, if he is from your state, if he is passed out of your college, and if you write to him that I need help, there are higher possibility that person will relate to it, right? Because they have traveled a certain journey. Most individuals have this genuine desire to be able to help and uplift others. Secondly, invest in a mentor. If you expect great benefits in the first meeting, it will not happen. Right. So invest in a mentor, invest in that relationship, and this relationship will benefit you over many years. It is not about the next job change, it's not about the next course. Some of these mentors will become your long-term advisors, right? So, as they know you better.
I mean, just to deep dive into this, how did you find your mentor or mentors? Any personal stories that you have which can help us get some more color on this? Yeah,
so I think I was lucky, right? I came from a small town, Moradabad in UP. I had never met anybody, forget an MBA, somebody who was in a corporate sector, right? Most people in that town wanted to go for either small businesses or were passionate about government jobs. In my family alone, most people, my parents' plan was for me to follow a government job, right? And I did not know how to navigate corporate world. But I used to read business magazine, newspapers, and that gave me an idea, acha ki mujhe, I relate to business, I enjoy the art and science and the design of business and corporate world. So I fought my way out, did an MBA from a college in Bombay called Chetna's Institute. That was, I think, the first step in that direction. And post which I was very lucky to have found mentors, right? people, companies where I had worked, I started my career with HDFC Bank. Many of my seniors took a liking to me and have become lifelong mentors. Some of them I had met 20 years back and they continue to be my guiding force and mentors for most big decisions in life.
Right.
And over the year, they have known me better. They have understand my weaknesses. They have understood my strengths, and I benefit a lot from their wisdom. I also made mistakes. I came across a lot of professionals who liked me, a lot of professionals or seniors where I had the opportunity to groom them as mentors or build a relationship as mentors.
Right.
But I was lazy. I did not invest in that relationship, and I regret that today, right?
So in terms of actionable, like invest in a relationship.
In a mentoring relationship, correct?
Sure, I mean in a mentoring relationship, but तो उसके लिए क्या करना पड़ता है? Like is it because some people are just they don't know what the starting point even there is. क्या you feel that this person could help me. अब in your case maybe it was easier because they had a liking for you.
Correct.
But समझो कोई ऐसा है जो थोड़ा सा इंट्रोवर्टेड शाई किस्म का इंसान है जो ज़्यादा बातें नहीं करता लोगों के साथ, पर मतलब ऑफ कोर्स उसको भी एक मेंटर मिलना चाहिए, राइट? तो आर देयर एनी 2-3 थिंग्स यू कैन सजेस्ट दैट वन कैन डू टू बिल्ड दैट मेंटरशिप का, लाइक व्हाई वुड समबडी हु इज सीनियर इन्वेस्ट टाइम इन मी अपार्ट फ्रॉम, ठीक है दे माइट वांट टू हेल्प यू, बट वो हेल्प के लिए अभी इस देश में तो 130 करोड़ लोग हैं, बहुत लोगों को हेल्प चाहिए, मुझे ही क्यों हेल्प मिलेगी फ्रॉम दैट पर्सन? तो इज देयर समथिंग आई कैन डू टू गेन दैट ट्रस्ट एंड कि हाँ यार इसके पीछे मैं टाइम डालने के लिए तैयार हूँ?
Go to conferences, go to forums, and every forum that you go or conference that you go, you will find at least one person who you'll meet 8 to 10, but you will find that one person who you are able to look up to, and he also has time. So don't aim for stars, right? If you are a college student, you don't need a CEO to be able to advise and mentor you. Someone who's 5-7 years ahead of life and who has traveled a similar journey to you will also be able to add a lot of value, right? So don't aim for stars, go to some of these forums, conferences. So दूसरा तरीका है I think cold reach outs. अगर आपके पास एक ऐसे किसी इंसान का, even if you have an email ID, right, of a person who's 1 or 2 steps ahead of you in the journey, right? वो आपसे 5, 7, 8 साल ज़्यादा एक्सपीरियंस रखते हैं, वो किसी भी इंडस्ट्री से हो सकते हैं, राइट? आप उनको लिखिए, अगर वो आपके शहर से हैं, आपके स्टेट से हैं, आपके कॉलेज से हैं, यू विल नॉट फाइंड everybody responding to you, but you will find people. Today's time LinkedIn I think is a great platform and forum. So आप वहाँ लोगों को reach out कर सकते हैं. I get a lot of requests. I'm not able to attend to all of them, but once in a while जब कोई genuinely, authentically मुझे approach करता है और मुझे लगता है मैं उनको help कर सकता हूँ, so I definitely take out time. मुझे एक सैटरडे संडे को अगर आधा घंटा निकाल के in once in 2 months अगर I am able to help someone, why will I not do that?
No, you have. I mean, Supreet has done sessions for a lot of Altuni alumni as well. So I know that you actually do that. And this is another open invitation, guys, in case you want to just write to Supreet. I'm sure he'll respond to a few of them, especially those from Moradabad and from Chetna Institute of Management Studies. So Supreet, this is helpful around the importance of mentorships that you need to create in your life. The other question I had was around how does one manage envy in their mid-20s?
So envy is real, and it is not when you are starting your career or have just started working. This is true at every single stage of life, right? So people who have really made it big, they are running companies worth thousands of crores, they are working at very senior levels in large companies. There is always someone who's ahead of you in the race, right? So in my life back in Moradabad, there were my batchmates and friends who become IAS officers. There are folks in my MBA days who are now running a Sunicon. There are founders of tech startups as well as in other sectors and industries who have come on the front page of big newspaper magazines, who have appeared on front page of business newspapers, far more wealthier than me. There are professionals, right, who through stock option, through investing in stock markets have made significantly more money, right? Whatever you become, there will be someone ahead in your life, fundamental. I think there are two parts to this. One is, I already touched upon it, आप अपनी ज़िंदगी का चैप्टर 7 किसी के चैप्टर 11 से कंपेयर मत कीजिए. आपकी जर्नी अभी बाकी है. करियर इज़ अ मैराथन. You don't know in what phase of career who will be ahead. One. And I have seen many live examples, right? If I look at my Chetna badge, every 5 years, the person who's leading the pack, who's ahead of others, is different. There changes, right? Somebody who's making more money, somebody has become more famous, somebody has grown more senior. और वो हर 5 साल में change हो जाता है, right? So the guys who got the sexiest job from campus are now not the front runners, and there are others who have emerged. There are and this has changed constantly in the last 15 years. Secondly, there is a large factor of luck, right? And you cannot really discount it from your life. Sooner you understand, accept, and start to respect it, right? That luck will have a role to play in your life and in your success, all walks of life. It will become more easier, and it will be easier pill to swallow vis-a-vis others that you compare yourself to, right? Third, I find that as also a big plus. Envy is a big driver for people to get charged up, to become more ambitious, and to keep at it that, hey, I have someone to compare to. Imagine someone's life who feels that I am top of the pyramid, right? He does not have, staying at the top of the pyramid is higher because you don't have anything to look up to. Right. So, if you are behind your peers जिनसे भी आप अपने आप को benchmark करते हैं, तो एटलीस्ट आपके पास एक रीज़न है कि मुझे ज़्यादा काम करना है, मुझे ज़्यादा समटाइम्स रिस्क लेने हैं, मुझे ज़्यादा एनर्जी स्पेंड करनी है अपने करियर में, सो दैट आई कैन रीच देयर. सो एनवी इज ऑल्सो अ बिग ड्राइवर. इट्स अ प्लस. लुक एट इट विद दैट इंजन.
Yeah, that's a great perspective to actually convert envy into something positive. Correct. And improve yourself.
Correct. बिल्कुल.
Interesting. Supreet, the other angle that I wanted to touch upon is the life situation of a lot of people starts changing somewhere in their mid-20s. Just in my case, for example, my father had a health scare, and a lot of my time in my mid-20s was just dedicated into that. And also it took a lot of my mental bandwidth at that point of time. किसी और की लाइफ में कोई और इशू हो सकता है. A lot of people I know who had to pay off their father's or mother's debt because उन्होंने बहुत सारा कर्जा लेके रखा हुआ था. कभी कभी कोई ट्रेजेडी हो जाती है किसी की फैमिली के अंदर, एंड देन यू हैव नो ऑप्शन बट टू स्टेप अप एट दैट पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम एंड डू दैट. अब क्या है कि उस चीज़ का कोई मटीरियल वैल्यू नहीं होता. यू आर प्रॉब्ली ऑल्सो डूइंग वेरी वेल एट दैट पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम, राइट? द फैक्ट दैट you are still good at your job despite the fact that you have 100 other responsibilities to take care of. I often feel that people are very harsh on themselves. They don't realize this. कि यार सबकी life situation भी अलग है. You can compare yourself to other people, but everybody's life situation is also different at that point of time. Not everybody's got the same resources to begin with. How does that awareness come into one? Because I think if you recognize this earlier, you can probably be more at peace with yourself, and maybe even if you're temporarily taking it slow, you might feel कि ठीक है यार, मतलब सब कुछ बर्बाद नहीं हो गया है. There is still time to figure this out. Again, is there any way to get this realization earlier?
Ankit, in my life, and I got to know even in your life, there have been times that other things than your career have become more important, right? I also faced at least 2-3 times in my life जहाँ मेरी family की इम्पोर्टेंस या मेरा मेंटल बैंडविथ और एनर्जी मेरी फैमिली की ज़्यादा ज़रूरत थी. देयर वर टाइम्स इन माई लाइफ वेयर माई हेल्थ वॉज मोर क्रिटिकल. तो ये ज़िंदगी के 3 पिलर्स हैं, करियर, फैमिली एंड हेल्थ. और अलग अलग फेजेस में सम ऑफ देम विल बिकम मोर क्रिटिकल, सम ऑफ देम विल टेक योर मोर टाइम एंड एनर्जी. It is hard to be able to balance all 3 of them at all points in life. वो किसी एक चीज़ पे लाइफ में फोकस कभी ज़्यादा होगा, शायद 2 पे ज़्यादा होगा, तीसरा थोड़ा इग्नोर हो जाएगा, राइट? लेकिन अगर आप 40-50 साल की लाइफ, 20 की उम्र में आपने अपना करियर शुरू किया, अगर आपकी 50 साल की लाइफ है तो ऐसे कई फेजेस आएंगे. कुछ लोगों के साथ ये फेज जल्दी आ जाता है, राइट? समवन हु वाज लकी, हेल्थ वाज गुड, फैमिली वाज गुड, दे कैन ओनली फोकस ऑन देयर करियर. ट्रस्ट मी, एट सम पॉइंट in their life, maybe in their 30s, maybe in their 40s, it is life, things will happen. Right. The other two will take more precedence. Right. and maybe your career will take a hit. But it is again a phase, right? कुछ लोगों की लाइफ में वो फेज है जल्दी आ जाता है, right? So it's not, one should not get discouraged. Again, same principle, career is a marathon, it is not a sprint. So I can share from my personal experiences. In the last few years, I came from my hometown, I did an MBA, but I was always clear that I want to build a big enterprise, a big company which I'm really proud of, right? I used to work 14 hours, 16 hours a day for the first 10 years of my life. I ignored my personal life, I ignored my family, I ignored my health. But it caught up with me later, right? So in the last 5 years, especially last 3-4 years, my health is my priority, right? Because I compromised on it, I did not attend to it. I thought मैं तो अभी 20-25 साल का हूँ, मेरी लाइफ आई एम फिट एंड हेल्दी, मुझे कुछ नहीं होगा. बट यू कीप इग्नोरिंग एंड यू रियलाइज हेल्थ विल कैच अप विद यू. सो इन द लास्ट फ्यू ईयर्स माई हेल्थ हैज़ बीन a bigger focus than my career success and what I am doing as an entrepreneur and a founder, right? So ये phases सबकी life में आते हैं at different stages.
You know, there is this one thing that I often get, you know, rebuttal आता है ये सब जो हमने डिस्कस किया लास्ट 15 मिनट का कि यार ये you know losers have excuses कि यार तुम बोल रहे हो कि you know तुम्हारे फैमिली में इशू हो गया या ये हो गया वो हो गया, but there are people who overcome everything and then they still do etc. And I feel personally, I feel that it's a survivorship bias where somebody who's, and then I don't know, maybe your point around luck also comes into play here. But what would you say to those people again who are being harsh on themselves, saying that अरे यार सभी को आते हैं problems, फिर भी उसने उखाड़ लिया ये वो, तो क्या है वो अंदर ही अंदर खुद को लोग, like I've seen this with a lot of men especially more than women, at least with the ones that I have interacted with, who feel very little, like खुद को बहुत ज़्यादा वो लोग फिर there's an inferiority complex somewhere inside. So again, how does one snap out of this kind of a thing? Your natural instinct cannot be कि अरे नहीं यार ये आदमी तो excuse दे रहा है, you know, for not doing well in life, because you then start inventing reasons why you have not done well.
Yeah, from others' lens, this would be true, but you know your own story. Right. उसमें कुछ हद तक सच भी है.
Right.
I said about these 3 pillars does not mean that if you have a battle fight being fought at 1 or 2 fronts, the other one goes for, becomes zero.
Right.
So अगर आप में hunger है, ambition है, desire है, तो आप वो direction में कुछ काम तो करते रहेंगे, right? If you have a family situation, it does not mean you leave your job and sit at home and only attend to that. You can accept कि अगले कुछ साल I will not move at the same pace in my career as my other friends would, but it does not mean that you make that element of your life zero. आप आगे बढ़ना ही शुरू कर दें, बंद कर दें. तो आप उस पर कुछ काम करते रहते हैं. You spend as much energy, maybe it is strenuous on you, maybe it is more demanding on you, and it also requires certain kind of strength, both mental and emotional, to be able to separate these 2 elements of your life and continue to focus on your career. The pace and speed may differ, but it cannot become zero. I think it is, I genuinely believe in it, and I have seen hundreds of examples where people, despite these phases, have continued to be able to do some decent work in their career and in their professional life. Incidentally, women face this more often, right? I have many cases where they are running their house and managing their career, working women. Their husbands get posted in different locations and they have to follow, right? They have somebody in their family to attend to who's going through a grave health crisis. Their child is going through health situation. And I have seen many strong personalities, right? Actually, it's not even about personality, it is about focus. And it is about drive and it is about ambition. They are able to continue to work, right? It's not that they raise their hand and say, this is too overwhelming for me, ये सब मैं कैसे manage करूँगा या करूँगी. They are still able to juggle, and they during this period, their peers move forward, their peers move ahead, but they have the recognizance of that, and they keep investing in themselves and keep working and doing something meaningful with part of their time.